can run either way, you know, but it would be nice if you shouted, make me feel happy. Listen up, you have been listening to the King Size Slim Sound all the way right live here in Camden Town from the old town in Hastings Town. Am I done all right? Yeah! Done all right, okay. When he said one song, it's a long fucking song. No, it's not. It's not. There's an inch out a mile there. Wouldn't you smoke you? The sky give me that. Oh, now I got to give me that. Gotta give me that dog, dog soul now. Oh, now. What's that? I took two shiny pennies, I wrote them in my hand. I took a bag of magic to the old tin booze, to make that dance for it, baby. Well, she's time to try him. On this time for three. On this time I'm gonna give me a bunch. I'm gonna give a bunch for me. Just gotta give me that. Gotta give me that dog soul, baby. I gotta give me that dog soul. I gotta give me that dog soul. You want to give me that dog soul. Gotta give me that dog soul. Gotta give me that dog soul. That's what he said. One more time around. I've got time for that now. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, still the song. 3, 4. You have been listening to the delicate sound and underground misuse, the King Size Slim Sound. Thanks very much for getting here really early. I appreciate that. What I would like to do right now is to ask for a round of applause for the Raison d'Etre crew for inviting me along and putting on a good night. Big show, you appreciate it? Cause this time I'm trying, and this time I'm 3. And this time I'm gonna get me a bunch, I'm gonna keep up on a tree. I took a piece to the ocean, I brought a little to the sky. I want to try to smoke until the sun goes down. But the sun run track, it's gotta give me that. Gotta give me that dog soul, baby. I gotta give me that dog soul.